Hi there, my name's Freddie Nichols. I go by my middle name, which is Joe. Um, I live in Denver, Colorado right now, and I work as a supervisor at a call center. But hopefully that'll be changing here eventually. I was gonna go over the site that I did for my web standards project a while back. It was for a company called Big State Drug. It was a diner and drug store that I did a redesign of. It's kind of going for the diner look with the tiles back here, some pictures of the outside, this older typewriter type font, and then this cursive font. So I really think I kind of nailed the diner part. And I have their menu on here, contact information, the location for where they're at, a little bit about them. So it really lets the customer know, like, this is what this company is, this is what they're about, this is what they have to offer, which is all really good for an educational website. The one thing I'm not really too sure about is the font that I used for the top, this cursive font, is kind of hard to read. And I think if I would have stuck to a font more similar to what they have in their signs, it would have been better. So that's definitely something I would change going forward. Also, these, like the header and then the main body and the footer, are all kind of really blocky. So I could have even maybe made those like a darker transparent color and changed this to a lighter color, or even just made these blend in better instead of looking so blocky. So if you go through all the pages, you can see that it's pretty much the same thing. Got some pictures of their food, which is a good thing because that helps the customer know exactly what they're going to get. These chicken strips look really good. Some onion rings. Then on the contact page, we have the pharmacy hours. And then just the soda fountain or diner closes an hour before the pharmacy. So lets customers know when they're open, when they close. Has the contact information. This email us form I'm not really too sure about, just because it's just really blocky. There's really nothing to it. This logo I really like though. And let's see, go back to the main page, pull up the code. So we've got the doc type, the HTML, there's a head with meta keywords. There's a title. You have a link to the style sheet and a link to that little cursive font that I'll probably be changing out here. There's alt tags on all the images, so we know exactly what we're looking at. So that helps with SEO also. I don't really have that many H tags in here like headers. I have the H1 for Big State Drug at the very top, but other than that, the information is just the information in paragraphs or divs. So I could use a better hierarchy with that, and that would help whenever reading the code, and it would also help with SEO. On this page, I believe I did use headers. Yes, each one of the different menu things is a header, so it's a win on this page where I use the headers. Yeah, and really that's it. I'm looking forward to hearing any feedback that you guys might have for me.